Hello, lovelies. I'm thinking today's project, I pulled the vase from this little shelf. Feel like we need a really cute floral arrangement in that spot. So we're gonna go head back over to the lovely studio table and pull it all together. I have to remember the size of this though, because I think in my head I'm gonna make it way bigger than it needs to be. Oh well, we'll find out. Let's do this. Okay, so to start off, I am going to be using chicken wire as my mechanics to hold everything together. That way then when I'm done with this arrangement, I can easily just take everything apart, be able to use my vase again. Simple, Simon, and this is gonna give it some structure. And then instead of floral foam, which is also fine if you want to, I will have linked all of the different Greenery filler that we're gonna be using. We're using a lot of cream tones, but we also do have a pop of red in here and some softness with the lamb's ear. So we're gonna put that all together and then we'll chat about the flowers and finish it off. This one is gonna be easy. Fingers crossed and toes. I say that and then I jinx myself when I do things like that. Also, when you're first starting with the chicken wire, things are gonna move and groove and fall over. That's fine, that's normal. The more you start adding into this, the more stability it will have. Just give it a little time. It's okay. And I think we might do an asymmetrical. So I want something kind of, oh, did you see that? I threw everything out. Start over. Again, it'll be fine the more stuff you get in there. Those first couple of stems though are definitely the harder ones to get in there. The flowers we're going to use for this lovely arrangement come from our most recent subscription box that went out in November. If you didn't know, we do offer a subscription box where you get 50 mystery dyed flowers that goes out the first of each month. And these are just some of the flowers from that mix. There's also some purple, navy blue, I can't remember the other, oh, and a really cool green flower as well. I just pulled these from that particular batch because that'll work really well. And then I also grabbed 2 Luxe ruffly flowers as well that I pulled out of the stash. So there we have it. Okay, now that I'm like looking at this, since I was making the arrangement from like the back going forward, I don't like the 2 reds there, so I'm gonna flip flop this red one with this green one. Let me break up that color contrast. Just a little bit. So did she turn out a little bit bigger than I wanted? Yes. Expected though? Also yes. Because I think I have a condition. The condition, like those who have a fever and the only thing that'll help the fever is more cowbell. Well, for me, I can't make a small bouquet or an arrangement. No matter how hard I try, it just does not work for me. I am an extra kind of gal. And I can't just put like 2 pieces of greenery and a couple flowers in something. I just can't. I've tried. It never works in my favor. So there you have it, an over the top, lovely winter arrangement featuring our subscription box dyed flowers. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I know it was a quick and simple one because it's kind of just how when I start getting into that flow, you just start putting things in. And that's all there is to it. So you guys have a lovely, lovely day. If you're new around here, loving this channel, can't get enough, want to know the next time that we post a video, make sure to subscribe, if I can say the words, and ring that bell so that you get notifications every time a video goes up. To find out about the 150 style Sola wood flowers along with craft supplies and greenery, go to ohyourlovely.com. But before you scoot, let me give you something. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. All right, you guys, I'll see you for another tutorial right here over on YouTube. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.